it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this morning we have got this 2019 Suzuki GSXS1000 Katana. It's fitted with a full system to this really stubby loud egg can, so it does sound very loud. It's been in for a full ECU remap, so these bikes do run, they have got a pretty snatchy throttle. They are more or less the same as a GSXS1000, so yeah, really snatchy throttle and really restricted as well. So we'll do the final run and then we'll run you through everything that we've achieved.
What exhaust is it?
No idea, it's just black. It's
Black one.
a small loud one.
Okay, cool, cheers.
Started mapping this morning. We did a base run, and the base run was 142 brake horsepower exactly, which is the blue line, and it was just running far too lean, just more or less all the way through the rev range, which normally you typically see when the bike's running a decap system really. So what we do is we make the bike fuel right, then we remove all the restrictions, the ignition restrictions, secondary throttle plate restrictions, and it's made 158.3, so it's just over 16 brake horsepower increase, which is massive. You can just see it's gained all the way through the rev range, 10 to 15 horsepower here and there, more or less through the whole rev range. Feels an absolutely different bike, just so much more smoother, which that's what you want really. So yeah, I'm sure the customer will be very, very happy with it. So yeah, if you'd like those, please give us a call.